Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Donkey Shop review? Watch the video till the end because today we are going to give you unbiased review on this website. So let's check out the detail. Donkey Shop is an online website that sells alcoholic drinks, moisturizers, creams, kids bath soap, fashion items like watch, purse, dresses, wrist bags, pouches, beach bags, etc. All these products shown on the website are from very high rated brands like Zara, Levi's, Johnson's, ASTF, Vino Babies, Savlon, Playtex, Aquaphor, and more. All these brands have a great reputation in the market. The prices for all these products on the website is pretty genuine as brands values. So let's check out the details. It was created on 11th March 2021. HTTPS code website. The website falls under the category of multiple body products. Email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a positive sign. On their official portal they have mentioned the contact details. As far as payment methods are concerned, they are accepting Visa card, MasterCard and Amex. They offer all sort of return, refund and repair of all damages product according to their customer wishes. Refunds are available on the website. The details about shippings are not available. The positive point of this website, that is Donkey Shop, are the products shown on this website all belongs to very high reputed brands. The prices of every product shown on the website is quite appropriate. We could find the Instagram page for this website. The information about the contact details for this website was available. Negative point of Donkey Shop are the existence or website is not from much time. The website has not got Alexa rank. It has got very low trust index score. The website also said alcoholic drink, which is not good. So the question is this website legit? As it is a very frequent question. Is Donkey Shop legit? Arises in every person's mind who is willing to look into this website, as this website offers products from great brands. So people do fall for all these sorts of websites, but we are here to help you because we all know that today's time frauds are the main source of income for some people. So it is done commonly. So before making any online shopping, you must know the details of that website. As we have discussed, it was created on 11th March 2021. It gains a trust score that is 7.9, and we are unable to find any customer review. As far as Alexa ranking is concerned, it is 0. Content seems to be plagiarized, policies were found fake, and we don't have any information about the address originality. The social media icons of this website seems to be justified. Customer information is not revealed. Customer reviews are another important aspect of a website. We all know that it is to be mentioned online, but in case of this website, no reviews were found with straight away makes or thoughts against this website. So the points we have discussed about its legitimacy, the pros and cons and specification makes us feel that this website is not trustworthy, but it is a highly suspicious website. So in our conclusion, we can say that we have discussed all the related details regarding this website to you, and we are not making allowing you to trust this website. You should not buy anything from this store, that is Donkey Shop. And if you have a personal experience, please write about your experience with us. We love to hear from you. Otherwise, from our end, it is not recommending at all for shopping.